Guys, so I'm gonna be checking out the new Girl Tech update. Let's get into it. The weather is usually cool this time of year, but forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Check out the shop and grab fun, heat, stylish cosmetics. Bro, move your hand, bro. I swear, I'll clap you, bro. All right, looking hotter than ever. Exclusive hashtag wear VRs.
Look at my new badge. Bro, frick you.
Cosmetics will be in store for 24 hours starting on September 23rd at 1 p.m. Eastern time.
It started today.
Oh,
we can
shoot.
Only get the cosmetics today.
Okay, let's hope. Let's hope I have enough for at least one.
I love these cosmetics.
Holy crap! Bro, this is so gay. Oh, t-shirt. No, I called you gay. You gay, monkey.
Why do you keep tagging me?
Why do you keep tagging me, bro? Why do you keep getting my way? That's a real question.
Come here. Come over here. Let me show you something.
I only have 900? Oh my god, bro. What is with the graphics?
Look at this.
Oh.
I'm definitely getting this. I'm buying a shiny rocks to get this. Yo, the graphics are crazy though. Bro, look at this.
Eat it.
Bro. Oh, look at this.
Oh my god. Ben 10.
Shake it.
Shake it. Oh. Bustin' loot.
Wait, bro, I have the ring and the claws.
What?
Let me show you something.
Bro, what the hell, boy? What the hell, boy?
It's Stranger Things. That's Stranger Things.
What?
Bro, I have the claws and this.
Bro, what the hell, boy? Bro, I can't afford anything. I'm broke. What the?
Sorry, please excuse me for my mess. My husband poured.
Bro, copyright.
Sorry.
Copyright. Bro, forgot.
Sorry.
Wait, what's the? Dude, this is actually crazy. I'm on fire, bro. And I'm back on my ground. Wait.
Bro, look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Look, hold on. What do you think's gonna happen?
Your mouth's gonna go on fire. Nothing happened.
Are you stupid or something?
Did you for real just trick me like that?
I have my clothes.
Oh shoot! Oh, it's client-sided. Only you can see it. You can't see anyone else's.
No, because I saw someone else do it.
Yo, put this up to your ear.
Huh? Oh yeah, I already did that, bro. I already filmed one.
Do I have one of those in my room?
Sound. What in your room?
One of these. It's like I got it at the beach. Put it up to your ear. Sounds like the ocean. Bro, that's actually crazy. I'm gonna check out everything else. Dude.
Bro, there's no other thing except for forest.
Wait, I didn't check out forest yet. I didn't check out forest while recording.
No, okay, so is there...
Oh shoot, so it like restarts.
Let me show you something. This is how you start the lava inside of a private lobby. Come over here.
Oh, you just got to toss it in. How many times? Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Get me out of the tag!
Yo, wait, it did a beeping. Yo, it did like an emergency beep.
I'm not getting tagged, bro.
Bro, whoa, boing. Bro, it did an emergency beep.
I know. I don't want to die. Bro, floors lava for
Oh shit! Bro! Dude, it looks so weird under the lava. Look at me out.
Where are you?
What? Oh shoot! Hey yo! Bro, it's so cool if you go in the lava, you become a rock. You become it. Dude, I gotta. Where did you get the badge?
It's free.
I didn't see it when I was trying stuff on.
Hop off the highway.
You can. Shh. Shush, my child. Shut the hell up. Sin City was amazing.
Sin City was amazing.
God damn. Holy. God damn. Yeah. Bro, why is everything rolled like so expensive now, bro?
I know, like this is 5,000. That's freaking $20.
Dude, I don't have money, bro. I don't have that.
So I'm gonna buy
bro,
something.
girls like for real think we shit gold.
True. I'm buying some right now.
Oh my god, bro's buying shiny rocks. Oh shoot!
I just
Boing.
want to get something from this update. This will be probably one of the rarest updates.
Oh yeah, that's right. Well, actually no, April Fools, I think. Wait, there's no cosmetics.
Oh yeah.
Oh sh! Bro, the April Fools update was weird.
I know.
We got the freaking human mask. Bro, I suck at this game. Ah! Bro, what the?
Our floor's lava is gonna go to a whole new level.
I got you.
How'd you tag me?
Because I'm just good like that, bro. I'm trying to. Hey! Oh shoot! Oh!
Get me out, please! Before.
Yeah. No, I'm it. Come here, little kid. I love little kids.
No, right when I get out.
Oh shoot! No. This is actually crazy.
What's cringy?
This update. What do you think I'm saying is crazy? Oh shoot! Yo, try to tag me.
No. Yeah. I have to film it today, no?
Why, scared you're gonna get beat?
Uh-oh.
See, like, there's... You see what I mean, bro? It, like, beeps. It's PvP's siren, bro.
I know. Bro, I want to film the roleplay today because if I don't get that, I want to do, like, a thing where, like, they're doing testing.
Come here, bro. Come on.